So if I had to look at my day and go, shooting 100 under for 2 games and still finishing 20 over, I'm going to tell you right now, I will take my score and move right along because there are still 2 rounds left in this tournament and I still think I got a good chance.
Combat hybrid. It's one of the options today, but they're gettable today. So we got to go out there and go make a lot of good shots and make the right decisions because we got to go get them. So 5 games today. Dad had 15 over. Double centured himself. That was cool. Not often you do that in a 5-game block. 260, 160, 130, 230. So good day, I guess. But yeah, now it's time for me and Brandon to go get them. So let's just go get them.
Where's Brandon?
Probably find another plastic ball to throw.
I have nothing to say. Except I'm 2 for 2 in the bracket here, hoping to go 3 for 3. That's all I got, round 1. Alright, get the camera out of my face. Stop recording me.
Squeak, you hear it? I hear it. Bounce on both. Yeah. Everything else in the back is shiny. I got a Super Sport Evo hysteria.
Oh, you're not in her. Yeah. Well, I will be if I'm.
back at the hotel. What are you doing?
I am getting my clothes together so Dad can wash my clothes. Taking advantage of Dad being here at the USBC Masters this weekend. He's gonna wash my clothes. He's also a low man after day one. And that's gonna be his job when he gets up at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So I'm putting my socks together so he can clean my socks. And my pants, and my shirts, and my socks. Yeah, so he's gonna do it tomorrow when he gets up at his senior time. And yeah, so that's his job. It is currently 12:32 in the morning. Yeah. I'm plus 190. Dad's plus 23. Justin's
27.
20. Oh, see, low man. So if you got any laundry too, Justin, you can give it to Dad, and I'm sure he'll wash it.
I already did mine. I do my own laundry.
Oh, well, I do my own laundry too, just not this week.
Okay.
So, Dad's got his duty tomorrow morning, washing the clothes, and then we're back on the lanes. B squad tomorrow.
I know somebody's gonna ask, so you might as well just tell them what ball you threw tonight.
I threw it, a trusty Black Widow spare ball. Ain't that right? That's what I threw all 5 games today, with a little mixture of a hammer axe on the second ball, and we're gonna hope that it just keeps on working. So that's it for today. Back at it again for day number 2 tomorrow. And yeah, like and subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.